Where are we in my journey today? We are in Guadalajara at the Plaza Liberacion. It's in honor of Miguel Hildago, who is known as the father of Mexican independence. Let's see. Here he is depicted as breaking the chains for freedom. The plaza is situated between the Degollado Theater and the Cathedral of Guadalajara in downtown Guadalajara, Jalisco, Mexico. This is the Cathedral of Guadalajara. It was built in the Spanish Renaissance style, with the exception of the neo-Gothic spires and bell towers. It is an imposing building, full of history, and is one of the best-known cathedrals in Mexico, and that brings many visitors. The Degollado Theater. Note its neoclassical architecture. It hosts symphony orchestras and is a place for cultural events, ballets, operas, and so on. It's so beautiful inside. The Degollado Bistro next door. It serves delicious food. Check it out. And it's an excellent place for people watching. At night, the lights from inside the cathedral shines through the many stained glass windows, spectacular to see. Day exploring this wonderful Plaza Liberacion, but it ended with rain. But we have to remember that rain makes the flowers grow. So it was awesome in the end. Thanks for watching YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe, to share, and to like. Adios.